From quite a while, I've been getting requests on how we can restore our Google Merchant Account Center. And that with increasing Google Shopping ads campaign, people are shifting more towards Google Merchant Center because having your products listed on Google Merchant Center GMC is very necessary. I have created separate campaigns regarding Google Shopping ads, Google Merchant Center tutorial, but this video today is a case study of a Google Merchant Center account suspension and recovery. So that you must be wondering on how I did it and how my team helped it. So basically it was not a single person project, rather my team eventually helped me in sorting out this, and they worked with me, coordinated along with the client. We had to do some changes on the website, and we also did, because the website was having a misrepresentation error on GMC, and that is a very popular common error which people get on GMC. And we got it on for one of our client. As soon as client gave the contract for Google Ads management to us, suddenly the GMC suspension error came in, and even the client and we both were surprised, like how we just got the contract, and our client account is being suspended. And just seeing your account suspended suddenly makes wonder, like, what did I did wrong, or maybe I got connected with the wrong agency. So we told them that we are a Google partner agency, and we help people in even solving cases related to GMC account suspensions. So this is a complete case study regarding how you can get your GMC Google Merchant Center account restored. So yeah, let's get started with me on this. So first thing first, let me write here. GMC Google Merchant suspension case study by Raza, and by Raza and his team. Credit should be given where due, and his team. Okay, so let me write here. Client niche. Client is the female clothing, basically female party dresses. Target country, European countries. GMC account age. Even the account was 1 year plus old. Having gold accounts such as this account with a 1 year plus old history and still getting suspension error on the account, which makes suspicious, like, what did I wrong? So this is, so stay with me on, because in this video I'm going to share with you in detail regarding how we got the client restored, and what steps we took in, and how we were able to get the account restored and products running up on the Google Merchant Center. So when you can see that 28 October it's a recent event and happened, and that they have around 23,000 products on GMC. 23,000 is a lot of products, and are a lot of products. And suddenly when you see like these so many products going into suspension state, or your disapproved items, you must be like worried, like, what did I did wrong? So the client had the same expression, like, what did I wrong with my products, like, suddenly, and having those ads product disapproved. Once you are having 23,000 products approved, suddenly all the products went into disapproved state. So the client eventually got very suspicious on what did wrong. Further investigation revealed that the client got the error of misrepresentation. Misrepresentation is usually when they assume that we are guiding something wrong to our visitor. There are multiple GMC errors, suspension errors, and one of them is misrepresentation, and that is a very popular and common error which people get. And the countries which that affected, because we were having feeds for different companies, product feeds for different companies. So it was Spain, Australia, Belgium, United Kingdom, Mexico, Netherlands, and United States. So once we did it, we did a complete study, and even write on, like, what we did. You must be wondering on what we did to get it solved. So what we did was, we did a brief investigation of the website. when we do a brief in Google Search Console error. Let me write it down for you guys. Contact us page, about us page, social media profiles, So in my experience, when we get a misrepresentation error, either of these things is a reason why our account gets suspended. So we did a brief investigation of the website. I and my team overviewed all the pages of the website. Probably we can have error on somewhere on the page of the website. So we figured out and look on the content. We also moved on Google Search Console and we figured out if there is any content or error or any issue or any duplicate content issue or any issue which we are not figuring out. And sometimes Google Search Console errors even helps us in resolving the GMC errors. So there was no error on Google Search Console. We discussed on site coding error and we found one error. I will disclose further on what was the error. And fourth point is understanding product description. This is the main one of the core point where people lose on. Because Google may assume something different, because one of our client was having wine socks. The name was wine socks, not this industry but another industry, and Google was linking that with alcohol wine. So now wine socks means that alcohol beverage plus socks combined into a single product, and that was causing issue for the whole GMC account. So product description also plays, like what we are telling, and sometimes if we are not complying with something or we are overtly exposing or say something wrong in the product or do a wrong claim, that can also be a reason. And if pricing, if we are displaying something different on our main page and when we open the product page we find a different pricing, this can be another reason for misrepresentation. Another is we review the privacy policy, privacy page, policy page, contact us page, about us page, even payment page and terms of service page as well. Payment policy, refund policy pages, terms of service page as well. And then we discussed on social media profiles, because even GMC gives a lot of weightage to your social media presence. So in case if your website do not have a good social media presence, that can trigger a problem in your GMC profile and misrepresentation error can be shown. So I recommend you guys to have social media profile link on your main page as well as on your contact us page. I also recommend people to have the contact details and other details on the contact us page, and make sure that your form is working correct, because we got some clients which have the contact us page not working correct, and that caused suspension issue and they were not able to figure it out. So that is another reason. And then broken link error, we discussed, we used a plugin to determine but what kind of a GMC error any links error we have on the website, any link not working well, that can also cause misrepresentation, because what we are showing to them and then people are when clicking on that link, that is not working. Again, that can be a misrepresentation error as well. And then the third is point is how the payment procedure is done on the website. Do you take the payment on your own? Company uses third party, or and have we mentioned that on our payment privacy payment page or not? That also plays a role. So doing a sample test and understanding through the all stages of funnel which takes the payment, this can at least tell to us that where we can be wrong. Then we studied more on Google Merchant Center account to see what errors we are seeing on the website, on the Google Merchant Center, and we find out account was suspended for policy violation invalid value. Feeds were having not right color added, and displaying previous image, the image link error, missing potential pricing, and then low image quality errors. So these were the few errors more which we figured out, and which we even showed. Let me show you in sample what my staff did to them. Like my staff did working on this, and find it out invalid image links, item with low links. We figured out the list, and we transfer to the client, like what can be the possible errors we give to them. So once we were done solving out all these errors, we replied. That frequent applying again will cause the freezing on your GMC account, and you may need to have a cool down period for your GMC account for reapplying again and again, and multiple times. If you reapply without correcting issues on your website and GMC account, can result in the permanent suspension of your GMC account. So which is why it is very necessary to only apply after carefully evaluating and understanding and solving your issues. So you can see that once we did it, and you can see that it's a 3rd November, 6th November, and we slowly took a time to get these errors solved in and then our products started getting approved again. 3,000 products were approved, and still 19,000 not approved, and then we saw 8,000 products approved, and then 22,000 products approved with 2 items remaining. So yeah, this was the procedure. In case if you are looking for how long the procedure is and how much time it took for me and my team to get it solved, is probably we suggest 2 weeks is an ideal time to get it resolved. Some cases may take even longer than this, to be really honest with you, and some can be very quick. So we also provide GMC Google Merchant Center accounts as well. So in case if you want your Google Merchant account center to be restored, me and my team can also help you with this, and the link is available in the description of this video on how you can reach us. So this was a video on a client. We discussed regarding the client niche, client targeted countries. I showed you, and what steps were taken on the website, what errors we saw on the GMC account which needs to be sorted, and how we were able to get it resolved. So the procedure was it took a little bit time, but I'm glad we were able to solve and help the client with the GMC account restoration of their GMC account. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And yes, me and my team is available for working regarding Google GMC, Google Shopping ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, as your services. We are here to help you guys. So thank you for watching video. Thank you, and bye bye.